Oh my goodness, Harmony holder as you can see here from last 24 hours, 14.86% Harmony price increase. So definitely that's really great news. And the CEO, my friend, personally tweet now to the very huge explosion is coming soon. 20% my friend coming soon now their price profit. So absolutely my friend, this time you can say 14.86% they will get a profit. I hope my friends tonight they will easily hit now 20% profit. So definitely winner coin will starting moving upward. Then all credit I think goes to holders, and winner holder are starting buying, holding. Then of course, really the price credit completely pumps credit goes to holder. And my friends, the CEO also tell us to my friends we are doing very hard work. I hope in upcoming time, my friends, we will go to collaborate with a lot of companies. So if they will start in collaboration, then remember my brothers, they will easily hit now 0.5 USD dollars, 0.5 USD dollars. This is only my friend possible if they will get a 20% profit. You can say this time they will get a 26% profit in last 3 days. But if they just only get a 20% profit, then I will give you guarantee, my friends, they will give you easily, very easily, my friends, half USD dollar. So my friends, my latest update and my latest price prediction is that I hope my friends in upcoming days the price is 100% increasing. But if we check out this time the change occurring and the market cap and etc. So this time you can see here USD price, the Harmony price is 0.34 USD dollar. And this time you can see here last 1 hour change occur 0.51, and last one day you can say 14.26, and last 7 day you can say 53.3%. It's really good news for all of you my friends. To the market cap is increasing, you can see here 3 billion. So 55 is the rank of my friends this time Harmony, and 24-hour volume is 572 million. Definitely that's everything is going moving upward and increasing, and winner holder are starting buying, holding. So of course my friend, this everything is will be increasing. All right holders, so kindly my opinion is for all of you to please hold down and don't starting selling. What's your opinion? Share it in a comment box my friend, and I will notify you if they will move upward, if they will fail us down. So just and only my friend, you will need to be wait for a huge pump. I hope my friends, the more and more huge explosions is coming soon. See you next time. Please like video and don't forget to subscribe channel.